Mama Quechua. Halil, 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 Oyum ala hewa Dejwa kabae. Nick Bacon says, alright, Condor says, everyone ready? Daniel says, I think so. Marco says, good enough. Nick Bacon says, then let's hear what we sound like. One by one, we found our sound. Different strings, but the same old crowd. Every road brought us right back here. Now turn it up for the world to hear. Connor's Tropic Inferno starts to glow. Caddy Holly's Kuts out till her answers low. Kirkland's wave on the roads like the sea. Michael's brings the fiesta banjo melody. Neston brings the cataclysm storm. Daniel makes the discombodum roar. Gabby's golden crunch keys bring soul. When his KFC booms and shakes the floor, Mandy's heartstrings start to shine. Nick's emerald and joins the line. Nick Bacon says, now everybody, every note a spark cleanses. Catch the wave, Nathan says, become the storm, Marco says. Viva la fiesta, Minnie says. Different roads, different sounds, but together's where we belong. Same creme, hear what everyone can do. 10 different sounds become one song, and we'll carry it wherever we go. Nick sound, same creme, but this isn't only for the night. Nick Bacon says, Eastern and Sayona, we're keeping them. Everyone says, whoever has a kebab, they named it all Halil. Seriously, Marco says, wouldn't be a Bacchanators album without it.